Hi Internet friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions bringing you a quick bonus tip. A friend of mine has sent me two files that are misbehaving a little bit, and I want to talk about how we might be able to fix this. What we've got is this wall right here is 72 and 1/16 inches away, and over here 72 and 1/16 goes to this line right by the cabinet, and for some reason this drywall is not showing up next to the cabinet. And I've played around with this and I don't know, I can't figure out why. I've been able to resolve it in a couple ways. One is when I open this and change this to a wall type that is a partition wall, which simply means that this in the wall definition is checked here, partition wall. So if I go to wall types and select, so in her file we've got interior 4 and interior 4 partition. One is partition wall, one is not. So if I go to partition wall, well, it just made me a liar. It was working a second ago. What happened? Let's do that. Back it up. Well, now it's not working. Okay, let's do this again. Wall types, let's go back to interior 4. Click OK. What I did find was if I edit the wall layer intersection, select the wall here and go to this icon right down here at the bottom, edit wall layer intersections, and I can drag these handles backward or forward until it goes away. And now notice that it's where it should be. That's not a great solution because it doesn't look proper now in the plan view. Well, there it works. That might be okay if we did it like that. The other alternative what I also found was, let's just redraw this like so. Oh, look at that. So if I just, let's go undo this here. It's not working. I'm just going to select this wall and use this diamond at the end, diamond handle, and drag it up like so. And now it just created a corner to where it worked. So that one works that way. The next plan, I'm going to go into a different alternative state here. I drew this wall just for giggles here. I'm going to delete this. This is what was sent to me like so. And if I open this elevation here, you can see where I've got double lines. I can see the first line inside here, that's the framing layer, and the outside line is the drywall. I've played around with this wall. Let's close that and let's do a tile. When I change this wall type, say to interior 4, now I see lines on both sides. That didn't do it. Change the wall type to, whoops, interior 4 partition. That didn't do it either. So I'm going to change this back to interior 4.2. And then I thought, you know what, let's try just drawing a wall over here. so. It's got that weird one again, and in plan view it looks weird. Notice the drywall doesn't wrap around the edge. So I'm going to look deeper into interior 4. I'm not sure why this is set up like this with backerboard, framing, and backerboard all in the main layers. Typically, layer number 1 we'd move up to exterior layers. Layer number 3 we'd move down to interior layers and let the framing be the only main layer. Since I don't know why that was done, I'm just going to cancel these and change this wall to interior 4-2. And it works fine here now, interior 4-2, until, watch this, let's go into elevation. I eyedropper this gray material here, which is Sherwin-Williams Misty color. Make sure I'm in object mode, and I paint this wall that gray misty color. And now the 2 lines come back up. I'm a little bit baffled as to that. So we're going to come up with a different solution for this one. Let's delete that wall. I'm going to... The plan view looks okay. It's just this elevation doesn't. So let's send the elevation to layout. And we're going to edit this using edit layout lines. Let's send this to 1/2 inch scale. And when I'm in my layout and I select that, just click once, select that box. My toolbars pops up with this up here. This icon is edit layout lines. If you don't have that toolbar, you can go to Tools, Layout, Edit Layout Lines. We have 3 lines for this wall. We only need 2. We've got the drywall here, we've got the framing here, and the drywall on the right. I want to delete that framing. So because I'm in Edit Layout Lines, I'm going to click on that interior, that line, that offending line, click once, and delete it. And now our layout looks fine. This will stay this way until, if you change something and have it updates, Chief Architect updates the view again, like so, that line will come back. You just have to go back into Edit Layout Lines, select it, and delete it again. As long as you don't change something in 3D, you're just adding notes or dimensions, you don't have to update that layout elevation. If you change something like move something or add, maybe add baseboard to this, then you'll have to update the line, update the layout page, and delete that line again. Got some curiosities here, but I hope this was helpful to get this solved for you. Thanks so much. Take care.